Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Campbell, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made these candy shaker brushes. Now for this project you will need to use a little bit of resin, so make sure that you are well protected and that your area is well ventilated. These brushes were sent to me by Funshowcase. I think that it's really fun to be able to actually fill up your own makeup brushes with whatever you want. So of course I had to go for a candy kind of theme. Now for the bigger ones, it's the top half that comes off, and for the smaller ones, it's the bottom half that comes off. I'm not entirely sure why, but that's just the way that it goes. They come with little rubber stoppers as well, so that you can obviously make sure that no oil leaks out. They also sent me some super cute cabochons and some new resin for me to try out, which I really did enjoy using. So in addition to this, I'm using some little clay pieces and some rhinestones that I already had. And of course, you know I have to go in with my Larissy glitter. The pink one is actually in the shape of sweets, so I thought that was absolutely perfect. And of course, I had to have in some holographic ones as well. Here I'm using these silicone stirrers as a bit of a sort of helping hand really. I just needed something to be able to put this part of the brush on so that I could hold it nice and steady as I was attaching the cabochons. Basically, all that you want to do is just go wild. I wanted these to look like they had literally been dipped in some pick and mix candy and all of the sweets got stuck to it. And yeah, that's pretty much the vibe that I was going with. So this is a pretty self-explanatory tutorial, but I hope that you enjoy watching the process. So there we go, that's the first one done. Doesn't it look so edible? Next, all we have to do is put the glitter into the tube. I also experimented with adding in different things of different weights as well, just to see how different things floated or sank in the oil. Once I had added in the stopper and had finished getting mesmerized by all the glitter and the sprinkles, it was then time for me to add in some super glue to the base of the brush and then to just pop that onto the tube. Now my super glue didn't really seem to be the best, so I did actually go over that with a little bit of UV resin because I just wanted to make sure that it was very secure and wasn't going to come off when I used it. But how cute is this? Seriously, I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. So now I'm going to let you watch me make another one, but this one has a thinner base to the brush. I have to say, there is a huge part of me that doesn't even want to actually use these brushes because they are so cute. But I more than likely won't use them for makeup. I'll probably use them more in my crafts, just because I just don't want them to like turn brown with foundation. On the bottom, as you can see, I did actually put some little gemstones as well. I just thought that it, you know, finished it off nicely, and also just added some extra security. Look at little pom-pom Perrine as well on that one. How cute is he? Honestly, these charms are so cute, so adorable. It's just like the most kawaii brush set that I own now. I am living for this. It really does remind me a lot of Sweet Canyon from Mario Kart, which is actually one of my favorite tracks. So yeah, this was giving me all the candy vibes. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learned something as well. If so, then please do share this video out with a friend. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.